Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to clear the website data on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch. To do it, press the crown button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the General and tap on it, and here scroll down, find the option called Website Data, select it, and here we have the Clear Website Data button. Basically what it does, it will remove all of the website cookies, credentials and other browsing data from your watch. So tap on Clear Website Data, tap on Clear Data, and that's about it. That's how you clear it. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you clear the website data on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.